Okay, this is as close as I ever want to get.
Within seconds, a quiet Sunday morning turned to mayhem as a vicious storm ripped through the Midwest. This video captured in Washington, Illinois, after the angry funnel cloud disaster, all as panicked residents seek shelter in the middle of it all.
We're getting hit with some hail, some debris.
Response teams in Washington, Illinois, scrambling to create this triage center, preparing for an unknown number of injured storm victims, and launching emergency shelters for all those displaced by this storm. In Peoria, Illinois, at least 50. And David, tonight there are reports of at least 75 tornadoes across 4 states, and there are reports of at least 3 deaths. Now here at Soldier Field, that Bears game was eventually able to restart, but across the area they are preparing for a long night as they begin the process of assessing the damage. David?
ABC's Alex Perez leading us off tonight. Alex, thank you. I want to bring in meteorologist Ginger Z, who's been tracking this all day long. It's a good thing they held that game off for a while because this was high risk, which you say is not common.
Right, and this is something that we were covering this morning on GMA. The Storm Prediction Center put out that high risk, and in November, that has only happened 4 times since 1980, before today. And let me show you what the setup was, David. We've got this low pressure system that slid across the Great Lakes. It has that cold front attached. It's really the strong jet stream that made this all very violent and dangerous. And here's what has happened thus far. And I say thus far because we are not done with this. At least 76 tornado reports. Now those are reports, not confirmed. Some of those will be repeated. And more than 200 severe wind reports. So this is just the beginning.
And it's not ending tonight.
No, here we go. We're going to go for just tonight through early tomorrow. Watch this from Cincinnati through almost Toledo. And then the moderate risk, which is still very strong, includes Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Charleston, and all the way through Albany, New York City. We have the chance of storms. Tomorrow, the severe threat really focuses in on places like Boston and Portland, Maine.